Maintaining your Victory Innovations electrostatic sprayer and its parts properly, along with regular cleaning, is vital to ongoing sprayer performance. To properly clean your sprayer, use hot, soapy water, vinegar, or calcium lime remover as a cleaning solution. Always consult the labels and safety data sheet on any cleaning solution you are using with the sprayer. To reduce the chance of chemical buildup and blockage, spray clean water through the unit daily before storing, spraying for at least 30 seconds per nozzle size. When you are ready to store your sprayer, remember to place the battery pack on the charger. To remove the battery from the backpack, open the door on the front of the unit by turning the knob counterclockwise until the door can swing open. To charge your battery, simply align the grooves of the battery into the charger and push the battery forward into a locking position, listening for the click. When the battery has been correctly installed on its charger, the charging lights will illuminate, indicating charging has begun. To maintain your nozzle, always use the provided wrench to insert, remove, or adjust the nozzle. Remember that inserting and removing the nozzle are both achieved by turning the wrench counterclockwise. Turning the wrench clockwise will change the nozzle setting. To clean or unclog the nozzle, remove it and soak it in hot soapy water for about 10 minutes. This helps loosen residual chemical buildup. If the nozzle still appears to be clogged, you can use pressurized air to remove the blockage. To store and maintain your Victory Innovation sprayer, always disconnect the storage tank when not in use. Do not store the tank with any chemical solution remaining inside it. Before disposing of chemical, review the chemical safety data sheet for guidance, as not all solutions can be safely poured down the drain. If you plan to save the remaining chemical solution, refer to its safety data sheet for proper protocol for securing and storing when not in use. With proper maintenance, your Victory Innovation sprayer will continue performing for years to come.